So here is an example of what we can do with the Sencha Touch, the different app. So here he want to know my location. Of course, if you allow the location, he will give you a map about your location. It's not a problem for now. Here you can get another example. It's loading by using the internet, like you see here. It gives you Web 2 Summit. Like you see here, it gives you click in the information. We're going to create an example about an app that you click on the content and show you more content right here. So for example, you get detail about it. You can click here to go to the speaker. You see the list of the speaker. When you click any speaker, you can get information about it. We have the tweet. This is from the Twitter. It's going automatically to collect the last tweet from the internet. Then we have location. This location, it can give you a map about a specific location. You can use it. And we have about the software or the app. For example, this app, you create the about the app. Here is it, the sponsor. You can add any sponsor for your app. We have video. It's going to load from the internet. Take a little time, etc. So here, see another example. We can get another example. Touch tomatoes. It's give you, for example, an app about movie. This is another idea to create an app for movie. Like you see here, you get detail of movie. You choose the form of movie, opening, upcoming. For example, it's giving you a list of the upcoming movie. You can choose the top, show you the top. Here you click on the movie to get more details. Like you see, you can click and glass right here to close it. Here is it, etc., etc. All these things you can do it with the Sencha Touch framework. Of course, you need to have a good knowledge about JavaScript to do all these things. If you're good with JavaScript, HTML5 and CSS3, you can create ultimate number of app and some beautiful app that you can imagine. It's about you and your knowledge about JavaScript and what you can create. So for example here, choice, show you a list of choice. So this is another idea. If for example some website that's selling clothing, you can create an app for clothing. For example, when you get inside, you find woman clothing, choice, man clothing, etc. Beauty. When someone click on it, you can get detail about the product. Here is it. It show him all the details about the product, and you can use, like you see, a buy button that we're going to send us directly to the payment process. All this thing, like you see here, is created with Sencha Touch, etc. There are a lot of idea to create a beautiful Sencha app. So you back here, you can see another example. For example, the audio, form, icon, list, horizon, search list. You can create some search like you see here. For example, content D, etc. Dogan, all the Dogan name. For example, Rob, show me all the Rob, etc. This is a good example. Navigation view. If you want to use the navigation, you can create app using the navigation. Here is it, show you the map by using the link from the map, etc. So this example, it will give you an idea about which app you can create and what is your target to market your app for it. For example, you search some website about clothing and you create an app like this one about the touch style. You get information from here and get an idea, create your app about clothing. If for example there are a website about movie, you can contact them and request if they want an app about movie, and you create their app. It's like when you use the Udemy app, it's the same. Of course, I don't know if Udemy created with the Sencha Touch framework or any other framework, but you can do the same app by using the Sencha Touch.